Find Subway Surfer high score. In this video, I will show you how to find your high score in Subway Surfer. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. Make sure you are on the home screen where your character is standing. Now you have to tap onto the friends icon or the trophy icon. Tap on it. Now you are on the top run home screen. Right here, you will see your highest score listed. You can also see how your rank compared to your friend if you are connected to Facebook or a game center. Here, you can also see who has become the champion and who has the diamond, gold and silver medal. And that's it. Now, you can brag about your high score to everyone. And this is how you find your high score in Subway Surfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.